Yeah, this is an absolute value inequality, right? So we would split this one into two. Now you could just say, just like we saw in that last one right there, that multiple choice one is, you know what, I'm going to say 2x plus 3 is less than 5, right? And if you knew it was an and statement, you could just compare this directly with -5 like this and solve it. Yeah, and that's the way that we've been doing it. So I'm going to continue with that way then. So yeah, we'll split it up into 2. Right, so 2x plus 3 could be less than 5. Now, we do need to remember this part of it. It should be an and statement, right? Because it's not eating the absolute value. So it's a 2x plus 3 also. And we're comparing it with -5 now, so we got to flip that inequality. So solving these two, whether you use the compound inequality like we had written before or this way, the process still ends up being the same. So subtract 3 from both sides of both inequalities, and we get 2x is less than 2, while also 2x is greater than -8. And then finally, just to finish these off, we'll divide both sides by 2. So over here we get x is less than 1, and then over here divide by 2, x is greater than -4. And yeah, we need to remember that it's an and statement so that when we graph it, we don't get it confused, because if it were an or statement on this one, we would find that it would be an infinite solutions type. Okay? So there's 0, there's 1. We'll put 4 over here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. -4, sorry. Yeah, at 1, it's an open circle because it's not equal to the 1, and this one's not eating the x, so it goes to the left. Now for the orange there, it's x is greater than -4, so it's not equal to -4. Open circle again. That one does eat the x, so it goes to the right. So this means that, once again, we could just fill in the line between these two like this and not really worry about the 2 lines we had before. Well, that's the graph, but we did want our answer in interval notation. So we'll write this out in interval notation. It starts at -4 here on the left. It's not included, so we get a regular parentheses there, and it goes all the way to 1, which also is not included, so we get a regular parentheses on that one. Now, if I remember, I just wanted the interval notation, but let's see. Right, your answer in interval notation. Yeah, so our final answer is just this -4 to 1 as an interval there.